Hello, everybody. Another throwback live art painting since I did not upload this. Anyways, the place is located in Salamis Garden by Cheapens, located in Bangadaval City. Well, I'm telling you guys, the place is so cool and amazing. It's just giving you the fairy vibe. This is the cocktail area, and this is where we're gonna be doing the live art painting. And yeah, this is hindi pa kami tapos nag-set up. So, ilabas ang pangmalakasang fat at skyflakes natin. Anyways, kauban ako si Steph and Heidi during this gig. And this is the reception. Tinuod lang no, nag-una ko diri bang wala pa sila na human og setup. But I'm telling you guys, it is so giving the the magical vibe. So this is my setup. Quick mirror selfie chart. This is what I'm telling you guys. Look at that. Okay, since it's cocktail time, it means it's time to take photos. Masyadong maraming guests need namin i-paint like 100 plus. Pero legit, bagi-flex ako to si Kuya kay, oh my God, Kuya, you know what? Pag ako kinasal, char, panguyab sa day, bago na yung hire si Kuya. Anyways, guys, this is already fast forward na, no? Okay, because it's already swarming. We need to catch up with the time and the number of it. So these are some of the output na humanawan at night. See you on the next one.